Gikfun DIY SMD SMT Welding Practice Soldering Skill Training Board LED EK7026_. After welding, just connect electricity, 3 to 12 volts, to see the effect. You can quickly judge the welding effect. The welding product is a beautiful water lamp circuit, the back of the board with /inch ruler, easy to measure component. This is a perfect soldering skills training materials for beginners. This soldering project requires basic electronic knowledge and hands-on ability. We have uploaded the user guide on the Amazon page at technical specification. NEWACALOX Soldering Gun Automatic Handheld Solder Iron Kit Welding Tool, Desoldering Pump, 5-in-1 Soldering Guns Kit. The automatic soldering gun kit of NEWACALOX is the most functional, reliable and safe welding tool. The soldering iron kit comes with soldering gun, desoldering pump, 2 tweezers and solder wire. It is ideal and the perfect helper when connecting components, one-hand operation. It can operate by one hand. You don't need to point your tin wire and tin gun with all your hands again, and you won't burn your hands accidentally anymore. The soldering wire stand ensures the hands-free solder supply during soldering. Soldering iron heat up very quickly. Thermostat range 200C, 450C, which has a longer service life and heating fast. Soldering Gun Kit Toolour 5-in-1 Solder Iron Gun 60 watts Automatic Feed Handheld Welding Gun with Solder Wire, 5-in-1 Soldering Gun. Through upgrading and improvement, our automatic soldering gun kit is the most functional, reliable and safe soldering tool. The soldering iron kit comes with solder gun, desoldering pump, 2 tweezers and solder wire. Our welding tools can meet your daily work and hobby requirements, which is ideal and the perfect helper when connecting components. Soldering Iron Kit Solder Gun, 110 volts 80 watts Digital Solder Iron Temperature Adjustable Auto Standy Auto Shutdown Welding Tools Soldering, 110 volts 80 watts Pen Type LED Digital Display Portable Professional Soldering Iron Kit, which contains your needed accessories for soldering. It packed with 4 tips /solder iron stand /soldering wire stand /sponge /tips cleaner /. Heating up quickly, can reach 896 in 1 minute. This soldering iron adapts PTC heaters, which is quick in temp rise and precise in temp control. Reduce your waiting time and get your soldering jobs done faster. Soldering Iron Kit, 60 watts Soldering Iron with interchangeable iron tips, 10-in-1 Adjustable Temperature Soldering Welding Iron Kit for any professional function. Design. This 60 watts 110V pencil type soldering iron features adjustable temperatures 392-842/200 to 450, and thermostatic setting. In addition, our soldering iron with on/off switch, which is easy to save energy and ensure safe welding, heats up quickly and heat dissipation efficiently. Our soldering iron adopts the advanced ceramic heating core to heat up to reach the desired temperature within 15 seconds. 4 ventilation holes on the solder iron, reducing the temperature conducted from the tip to the handle. Electronic Soldering Iron Kit, SREMCH 80 watts LCD Digital Soldering Gun with adjustable temperature controlled and fast heating ceramic thermostatic design. High power heating core. The 80 watts soldering iron, which heat up to operating temperatures in 30 seconds, heats up quickly with the inner heated ceramic technology. High temperature stability, can protect your welding objects. LCD digital pen type welding tool. Compared with soldering iron station, our soldering gun kit is portable to carry. The soldering iron with high definition LCD screen display, which indicates the temperature status more clearly. With the temperature knob on electronic soldering gun, you can adjust the temperature from 392 to 842, 200 to 450.
7.
Soldering Iron Kit, 80 watts digital LCD solder gun with on-off switch, adjustable temperature controlled and fast heating, thermostatic design welding tools. Use imported 80 watts high power heating core, high power and more efficient, which delivers superior heat conductivity and can be quickly heated up to operating temperature. Greatly save your working time. Upgraded and smarter design, high definition LCD screen display the temperature status more clearly. Adjustable temperature design from 392 to 842. Adjust the temperature according to your need by the knob wheel on the electronic soldering iron. On/off button and working indicator light can be freely and easily open, close and operate. Soldering Iron Kit Electronics, 80 watts LCD adjustable temperature 185/20C welding tools, on off switch, upgraded soldering iron 5 precise temperature control button with high definition LCD screen. You can accurately adjust the larger temperature range, 180 to 520, 356 to 968 by /buttons. /F conversion. Humanized on/off switch makes it more convenient to use. It also ensures safe welding and energy saving. 15s quickly heats to working temperature. Soldering iron use 80 watts high power superior ceramic heating core and can be heated quickly within 15 seconds, so that you can work faster.